everybody. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. You guys, I have a purse review that I would love to share with you guys. I am doing it in my bedroom up on my bed. So I'm going to do like a little bed review of my purse. Something different. I'm just pretty much lazy tonight. Today we had a good time. We had what did we did a walk this morning. Stop the Violence walk this morning, and it was a great turnout. You know, it's like saving our youth. So it was a great event. So I wish you guys was there, and I wish that I had recorded it, but I didn't. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. But what I want to share with you guys tonight is a purse that I've bought from TJ Maxx. Let me show you guys. I've had this purse for a while. This is what it looks like. I think I bought this purse back in maybe October. Let me see, October, maybe September, October. Yes, and I'm just now taking it out to review it for you guys. Okay, let me show you that I did get it from TJ Maxx. Let me get it focused. TJ Maxx, and it was $24.99. Yes. Showing you guys here the straps, shoulder strap. And this is your ID tag here. Put your ID in, or put your name in it, what have you. Here it has like little pockets here on the little tag, but I'm sure that you wouldn't put no credit cards in here unless you're going to put it on the inside of your purse, but which I am not going to put any credit cards or nothing like that in it. Maybe some cards or something, business cards. Yes. So you also have a zipper here. I'm sorry, zipper. What the inside looks like. I'm gonna take the paper out. And y'all forgive me, on my last video I reviewed a Brahmin purse, and if I didn't review it right, please forgive me, because some things that I did, you know, leave out. I still have to register my bag. Okay, just in case something happened to my purse, they will be able to fix it. Okay, but I got to do that, register my bag. This is what it looks like on the inside. I like the material on the inside. You have a zipper here. Okay, you can put whatever you like in the zipper part. And these are some little salt bags for freshness of your purse. Then you have your little logo here. What does it say? It says Steve Madden. So this is a Steve Madden purse. Okay, and look at the material. Do you see the material? Steve Madden material? Had to wait till the camera focused. And these are the side pocket here. You can put your cell phone, pens, or what have you in the side. And here on the outside, you also have a pocket. You can place your cell phone there. Okay. At the bottom, no feet, so you can't really put it on the ground to protect your purse. This is what it looks like on the side. Okay. And you guys, You can go to TJ Maxx and see if you can find this Steve Madden purse. And it was $24.99. $24.99. And like I said, it is a Steve Madden purse. This purse is like a tan color, brown. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, you guys, I do have another purse that I want to share with you guys. My battery is about to run down, so stay tuned for another video coming your way. I just wanted to show you guys this bag that I've gotten from TJ Maxx so that I can get a little something to you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and please come back and see the other purse that I have for you guys. So stay tuned and be blessed. Bye-bye.